Built in 1882, the Stannard Rock Lighthouse can best be described using superlatives. It claims the title of the most remote lighthouse in North America, standing atop a reef near the heart of Lake Superior, the world's largest freshwater lake. Well over a century since its construction, it remains an enduring symbol of engineering prowess and a towering reminder of Great Lakes history. But this lighthouse isn't simply a relic of the past. The U.S. Coast Guard diligently maintains its automated light, ensuring that ships can safely navigate the shallow reefs that lie amidst the lake's deep, cold waters. Beyond its maritime role, Stannard Rock serves a crucial purpose in cutting-edge climate research. Scientists from both the U.S. and Canada prize the structure's remote location, which allows for the gathering of vital climate data. This information directly benefits coastal communities along Lake Superior, providing information such as evaporation rates, wind speeds, wave intensity, and other variables that are crucial to climate modeling, weather forecasting, and maritime safety. In addition, much of this monitoring data is used in developing climate adaptation recommendations for coastal communities on Lake Superior. Owned by the Superior Watershed Partnership, a Great Lakes nonprofit based in Marquette, Michigan, the Stannard Rock Lighthouse now requires a renewed effort of care. After enduring 140 years of Lake Superior's punishing conditions, the structure requires substantial renovation, estimated to cost more than $2 million. The Great Lakes Climate Corps is assisting with preliminary restoration and renovation, preparing for the implementation of the state-approved Historic Restoration Plan. This restoration won't just preserve history, it will catapult the lighthouse into the 21st century. Upon completion, Stannard Rock Lighthouse will stand as a state-of-the-art international climate research station, equipped with improved office space for climate research, sleeping quarters, and a small kitchen to allow for extended stays of climate scientists. The Superior Watershed Partnership, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, Environment Canada, and several universities will all benefit from expanded climate research opportunities at Stannard Rock Lighthouse. The Superior Watershed Partnership invites you to join our mission. We've launched a capital campaign to transform the Stannard Rock Lighthouse into a beacon of forward-thinking environmental stewardship and innovation. Your support is pivotal in shaping the future of this historic icon. For more information or to make a donation, please visit superiorwatersheds.org.